Hello and welcome to the Quick Guide to Music Theory. This is another lecture called The Grand Staff. In this lecture, what we'll be discussing is the grand staff and what instruments it's used for. It's commonly used in piano music. If you take a look at what I have on the screen, you will see that there are two staves or staffs that are joined together by a bracket or a brace. And there is a treble clef and there's a bass clef. So these staves dictate that this instrument, the piano, the harpsichord, or any other instrument that uses the grand staff, is to be played by one person and one person only. And sometimes you'll have either a virginal or a regular piano, upright piano, spinet, harpsichord. Any of those instruments will have this configuration of just the grand staff. And what I want to tell you is that all these notes from A on up, I'm just going to draw all of these. Then C is right here, but it's actually middle C between the treble and the bass clef. The treble and the bass clef also share it. Then you go on the treble clef. Let's see, there you go. All right, so now we have the whole grand staff with all the notes, with all the stuff that we need. So I'm going to say the notes really quickly with this. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And most piano books that you encounter, that's as far as they'll go before they go into the ledger lines and all that stuff that's later on in this course and in other music theory courses that I teach. But these are all the notes, rather, that are on the grand staff that we use. So keep this lecture for your reference. Later I will put in the resources section a note chart that will help you understand this better. All right. If you have any questions for me, please feel free to shoot the Q&A a message, and I will see you in the next video.